We did some benchmark testing on the Canvas Nitro and let's talk about it. So first we did the HTML5 test, the basic one, so 448 out of 555, which is decent but not exactly extraordinary. And to compare this to some of the other mobile browsers, let's check out the results and you'll see that it lies somewhere in the middle here. So it's topped by Tizen, then BlackBerry, Chrome and Opera mobiles and stuff. And we also did on Antutu and Velomo testing. So Antutu here you see 29 to 37. So anything above Micromax A310 are actually flagships that cost more than twice the price of this one, except maybe the Xiaomi Mi 3, which is also flagship from Xiaomi, but then priced very aggressively and somewhere at the same price bracket plus minus 2-3k Indian rupees. We also did a Velomo testing, and that's the browser test. You can see it's right on the top out there behind only the G3. It does not have many flagship mobiles and some of the other significant mobile out here, so it cannot be considered an exhaustive list, but still you get an idea it scores pretty good. And then you have multi-core where it scores in the middle. You see almost all the flagships S5 and Nexus 5, HTC One, M8 and G3 all score above it, and more like the mid-range devices or the mid-range premium devices like the G and Razer and Nexus 7 and all scores behind it. The similar is the case with the Metal. You see all the flagships scoring above it mainly, and then you have Moto G, which is by the way one of the biggest competitor of this mobile, scoring below it, Nexus 7 and all. So those are our benchmark scores. So overall the Micromax Canvas Nitro A310 scores pretty much in the middle ground, takes a middle ground pretty much at the mid score level in our benchmark testings. Thank you.